Hey everyone.
Hi, this is Tony.
And Zelda. TandZRVLife. And
RVing.
we're kind of hanging out here together, having a bunch of fun, drinking our tea. What you hear down here, the misty thing, this is, the RV gets very dry, and this is what we have.
Don't tilt it.
I won't tilt it.
That's what your famous words are to me. Don't tilt it.
Don't tilt it. It's just nice steam. Ah, feels nice. Yeah, it puts moisture in. And if you're interested, I will drop the link in the video. This is just called the steam inhaler. Very nice. Fast 6 to 9 minute therapy, and it works. Okay, so topic of the day.
This is the topic of the day. See, I get bored. I look at too much news. And I look at all these middle-aged parents.
Middle-aged.
I'm going to say middle-aged because I'm old. They're younger than I am. Because if they was my age, they would do more talking instead of running up in the attic hiding from your kids. Now, God bless me because I don't have that kind of patience to run in my house and hide from my kids. Let me playing hide and go seek, and that's a game.
Correct.
Not running because you're getting on my nerve.
Yes.
You get on my nerve, I have to talk to you. But I'm looking at the news, and this one lady, she comes on, and she say, I finally got a break from my kids. I'm hiding in the attic. I'm like, what the hell? I mean, what the heck? Hiding in your attic from your kid. What do you got, monsters? You send those kids to somebody else to raise. Let me calm down. You send those kids to somebody else to raise.
Yeah.
And then, when you get them, you like feed them and put them to bed if you don't have a nanny to do that. But if it takes a virus or some sickness or something tragic
as this right now
for you to raise your kids and be a parent, you get everything you deserve. You deserve everything you get.
And you know what? The deserving part, it doesn't have to be a bad deserving. It could be a good deserving too. Because the kids need their parents.
It takes parents to deal with children. Especially the bad kids. They have to talk to them sometime.
Yes.
But I have 9 kids. And I've never had to go in the attic or go outside and take a break because they were so mischievous.
Never. No, I've walked away so that I wouldn't, go past that point of no return.
But if anybody can tell me,
I'm not gonna run away in an attic. I just, like you time to step away.
That these kids, that the parents. Like I said, I'm in a different age frame, and if anybody can tell me what happened from 45 to now, 60 some, what happened to parents being a parent and so scared of their kids they got to go and hide from little kids in kindergarten, 1st grade, 5th grade. I'm not going to hide from a kid in 12th grade in my house.
No. What grade are you in, Michael?
9.
I'm just teasing. I know what grade you're in.
But my sons are bigger than I am, taller than I am.
Yes.
But I'm not going to take a break and run in the bedroom and hide because you want to show off.
No.
You can't take over my house like that. And kids taking over the parents' house like that, I think there's something wrong with the parents. And I know a lot of fathers are not home. God help those mothers that's raising kids by themselves. My heart bleed for you.
Yeah.
But you need to bleed some of that blood of the lamb on that child.
Don't spare the rod sometimes. But, it is... I couldn't believe this lady when she said that.
They get on national TV and let them film them saying some dumb stuff like this. Yeah. I would be embarrassed to get on TV and say, oh, I can't do nothing with my 15-year-old son over there. He just comes in and do what he want to do.
You know what he did? And I know he thinks it was just nothing, but it was very, it was great for me. he sat there and he mixed up 2 bowls, one bowl with water and different color stuff, and then he put just a paper towel in and put another bowl just to see how long, if it would even go into the other bowl of water, and how long it would take. And I said, "You're doing a science project. Didn't I tell you that?"
Yeah.
Yeah. And he was like, "Oh." But I told him, I said, "You're doing a science project," because he was bored. He wasn't running outside doing stuff. He just picked that up. And then I was able to share some of my research knowledge with him, you know, that he's creating a study. An empirical, oh, actually it wasn't empirical because, actually there are empirical studies on that. But anyway, he was creating a study and determining whether this bowl was going to transfer water and less of the dark stuff, the particles, over into the other bowl. It was a study. Spending time with the boys. And I was very interested in it, but it was still a moment that I will remember and he will remember going, "Oh my God, my mom was just going off in this hypothesis stuff and, you know, this scientific crap." He'll remember that later on. That's what you do. Those moments in time, you get teachable moments with your children at home. Enjoy those teachable moments, because kids will eventually be back in school, maybe, and this is what they need. They need their parents. Back to the parents.
I think the parents need to get away some of this electronic stuff. This right here.
I don't have mine.
Show your computer, Mike. He don't have one. He have 2. And I think he got one stashed that he think that we don't know nothing about.
First of all, you bought it, so you know about it.
So he got 3. But my thing is, a little bit less than that, because he's only allowed 2 hours a day on his computers.
Right. Oh, my battery's getting ready to go down.
So I'm going to end this right here.
Yes.
Y'all need to talk to your kids and pray about it.
Yes. Pray, pray, pray.
And stop running from these little bad kids. Face those kids.
Yes.
And take care of those kids.
All right. We'll see you on the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.